She'll probably run to fat in later life.
She'll probably inflate like an emergency dinghy the day after she marries a billionaire.
Face it, girls, we are looking at perfection. Perfect hair, perfect breasts, and a bottom so tight it could do lip sync. Oh, here we go. What?
She's seen someone she likes.
Oh, look at her. She's on boy alert. A whole new head angle and, yes, a private smile to suggest approachability. It's coming up.
Sorry.
Vidi ovako. Kad rodiš dete muškarcu, dužan je da ti kupi Rolex, stan u centru Beograda i najnoviji automobil.
Oh my God.
Ja sam previše duboka žena. Vrlo duboka.
The first good thing that's ever happened to me, ever.
Intenzivna.
Result!